Yeah. I used to throw the eggs out, I'd take the eggs out on the other boat, drop them in, and all the stuff back. It's quite effective because we used to fill the bags with. Yeah. Oh yeah, can you take one of mine?
Yeah. It'll end up on the group page or whatever it is. Just trying to catch this one out.
Just rather awkward photographing mine. When I'm steering it.